I love my Mellow. We actually eat a lot healthier now. The meat comes out better. Everything just tastes better.
I love all the presets. I mean, I can set things the night before and go off to work the next day and the dinner's ready and everything's perfect. I'm very happy with the way it works now. It's very simple. It's incredibly intuitive.
You can't fit more than a couple bags in there at a time.
I have 2 Mellows so that I can cook 2 things simultaneously.
As an entrepreneur and a busy mom of 2 with 1 on the way, life is really, really busy around here. Mellow has made my life so much easier because it takes all the guesswork out of dinner. Coming home to a perfectly cooked dinner is great, but when it's just a protein, you still have to make a vegetable or a side dish or even dessert sometimes. What are you gonna do about it?
Mellow lovers, we heard you. Introducing Mellow Duo. With modular design to feature either 1 large vat for a big family or 2 vats to cook your entire meal, including sides, perfectly. Mellow Duo helps cook delicious food for our busy lives. With only a 30-second setup, you can cook multiple meals simultaneously while you're away. Unlike other sous vide machines, Mellow Duo chills the water so your ingredients stay fresh while it waits to cook your food. So you don't have to rush home to prepare your meal. Mellow Duo will know when the time is right to start cooking your food depending on your set ready time. When you get home, you have a perfectly cooked meal ready to eat, or give it a quick sear for that perfect finish. And with built-in Wi-Fi, Mellow Duo allows you to control your cooking even when you're away. So if you're running late, you can keep your meal hot and ready for your new arrival. Mellow Duo even has artificial intelligence that will learn to cook to your liking based on your preferences. It truly is like having a personal chef at your fingertips. Mellow Duo. Great meals effortlessly.